everyone. This is our first tram ride since getting to Lisbon 2 weeks ago. These trams are iconic to Lisbon and are a great way of traveling around the city. And today we're headed off to an area called Belém to taste the OG Pasteis de nata and see a few sights.
Hello! We are at Pasteis de Belem, and these are the original Pasteis de nata. They're from the monastery down the street. That's kind of like where everything came from. And then
yeah, so this is the only place I can call the Pasteis de Belem. Everywhere else in Portugal, they're called Pasteis de nata. So here, I just read that they make 20,000 a day. So if you can see this line, there's actually several lines going on right now. One of them is just for takeaway, one of them is to sit inside, and another one looks like it's prepayment, which we couldn't figure out how to do. So we're going to be standing in line to sit inside, have a cafe, a couple of these belems.
I'm so excited. They're supposed to be the best ones in the city. So honestly, like, we're just here to review for you. It's all for love of you, right?
Yep, because we cannot get enough of these pastéis. They're so good. Yep. So excited.
Yeah, we'll let you see how they look.
Glasses, did you?
No, I said obrigado, and then I said obrigado and said, so you smile.
I don't know what this is.
It's a little one. headed over to see the cathedral and the Jeronimos Monastery. The monks who lived in this monastery in the early 19th century created the Pasteis de Belem in order to make money during the Liberal Revolution. And till this day, that recipe is still a secret. But it's tower.
No, Tower's by the road.
But this is the cathedral here. And then that's the monastery over there.
Of Jeronimo.
Okay, baby.
Why do we say Jeronimo when we jump into a pool?
That's a great question.